How to book a Grab car in advance in Malaysia. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to book a Grab car in advance in Malaysia. First, go to your web browser. Here, open the site grab.com. From here, you can select your preferred language. On scrolling down, you'll find the details about the commonly used features of this app. Click on Scheduled Rides Navigation. You'll find the complete details about this process. Just follow these steps. You can also cancel the scheduled rides here. Scroll down to the end and select your country to Malaysia to get related features. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.